So guys, yan, mag-unbox tayo ngayon ng ating bagong helmet from HJC. Ito yung HJC Baleco, size medium, at ang kulay niya off-white. Sheesh! Made for the masters. Unboxing natin. For the moment, designed and engineered by HJC. Oh, naglag. Naglag. Uy, parang may sling bag. Then, manual. Yung ating helmet. Yeesh! Boom! Ganda ng pagka white ni guys, oh. Puting puti. Sheesh! Hindi pa siya naka mix, pero very beautiful naman yung setup niya. Size medium. Very comfortable, tsaka napakagaan. Angas, oh. Sheesh.